I caught this one, Alika. It is so small. It is not small. It is a good size.
Caught
That?
Jaff.
That is a big fish. What are you doing? You just let it go.
Good morning, Safi. Is the tea ready?
Good morning, Elia. Yes, here you are. Are you nervous about meeting the teacher?
A little. But I am sure everything is fine. Huss is a good boy.
Dad, I am not nervous at all. My teacher is very nice. You will like her. Our school is not far. It is only 10 minutes.
Yes, I know. I like walking in the morning. It is very peaceful.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, Huss. What is it?
Are you proud of me?
For the sports competition? Huss, I am always proud of you. Every single day.
Thank you, Dad. Dad, this is my classroom. Room number 7.
You must be Huss's father. I am Miss Lilly. Please come in.
Good morning, Miss Lilly. I am Elia. It is very nice to meet you.
Would you like some water?
No, thank you. I am fine.
Mr. Elia, I want to talk to you about Huss. He is a very special student. He is intelligent, hardworking, and kind.
Thank you, Miss Lilly. That is very kind of you to say.
Last week, our school had a sports competition. Huss participated in the running race. Do you know what happened?
Please tell me.
Huss finished first. He won the race. He ran faster than all the other children.
Huss, you won?
Yes, Dad. I wanted to surprise you.
I am so proud of you, son. So very proud. You did all that by alone?
I wanted to surprise you, Dad.
Huss will receive a certificate next week.
Yeah.
In front of the whole school. He deserves it very much.
Thank you, Miss Lilly. Thank you for everything you do for Huss.
It is my pleasure, Mr. Elia. Huss is a joy to teach.
Dad, are you happy?
Happy? Huss, I am more than happy. I am the proudest father in London.
Dad, what are we doing this afternoon?
Ah, good question. I have a surprise for you and Jaff.
Jaff, wake up! We are going fishing.
Fishing?
Now? Yes, Jaff. Now, get up, get dressed. We are leaving in 30 minutes.
Come on, Jaff. Let's go. The fish are waiting.
Okay. But if I catch a big fish, Mom has to cook it for dinner.
Okay,
Deal.
boys. This is how you hold the fishing rod. Like this. Now throw the line gently into the water, and then P, you wait.
How long do we wait?
It could be 5 minutes.
It could be 1 hour.
1 hour?
Jaff, that is what fishing is. You have to be patient.
Patient?
I am very patient. I just need a snack while I wait. Jaff, did you bring food to a fishing trip? Dad, I bring food everywhere.
Dad, something is pulling. I feel it.
Huss, hold it steady. Pull slowly, Hab, not too fast.
I got it. I've got it. I caught one. I caught a fish. Ah!
Well done, Huss. Brilliant.
How did you do that? I have been sitting here for 1 hour and nothing happened. Jaff. That is the secret. I was patient. I was very patient. I even finished my sandwich slowly. Jaff, you need to be more patient.
I am being patient. I am the most patient person here.
I think the problem is your technique. You need to hold the rod like this. Huss,
You caught one fish.
one small fish. You are not a fishing expert.
Jaff! Your rod! Jaff! Something is pulling! Look! Something is pulling it! Dad! It is pulling me in, Dad! It is pulling me in! Dad! Hold on, Jaff! Pull!
Jaff, it is just a fish.
It does not feel like just a fish.
Caught?
That?
Jaff,
That is a big fish. What are you doing? You just let it go.
She looked sad, Dad.
What? She did look sad.
You caught the biggest fish of the day, and you let it go.
Yeah.
But I still caught it, Dad. Nobody else caught a fish that big.
Mine was a good
To
size.
go, boys. What a wonderful day.
Yay! Daddy, you are back!
Did you catch fish?
Did you? Did you?
Hello, my sunshine. Ask your brother Huss.
Did you catch a fish? I caught this one, Alika. It is so small.
It is not small. It is a good size.
Come here, all of you. Tell me everything. I want to hear the whole story. First one, dinner. Then stories. Everyone sit down.